Success isn't a game of chance. It's the reward of dedication, of pushing boundaries, of refusing to back down. Life is about evolution. To grow, you must change. Those who cling to what was will lose sight of what could be. Harness the strength of transformation. Welcome new possibilities. Utilize what you have, right where you are. It's not about waiting for perfection, but about seizing opportunities. The purest joy, achieving what others thought impossible. Dream without limits. Aim high. Let their doubt ignite your resolve. Think big. Be big. Expect greatness and your life will mirror it. Believe in yourself, in your capabilities. Your mindset shapes your world. The start of any journey is crucial, laying the foundations for success. Embrace the challenge of beginnings. Give it your all. Remember, success isn't a destination but a journey. It's about the strides you make, the lessons you learn, the person you become. Focus on the journey, not just the destination. The best ideas are those that come to life. Dare to think differently, take risks, turn your dreams into reality. Your ideas can change the world. Thank you for joining us. Remember, success is within your grasp. Embrace change, work diligently, strive for greatness. Subscribe for more inspiration. Believe in yourself. You've got this.